In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add Acuity scheduling to your Shopify store, all within just 5 minutes. Now, this is a fantastic way to streamline your scheduling process and make it easier for your customers to book appointments directly from your online store. So, let's jump right into this step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to open up Acuity scheduling in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This is where you'll access your scheduling account, enter your email address, and when you're prompted, go ahead and click Next. At this point, for a quicker and more seamless login experience, choose the Continue with Google option. This will allow you to log in without needing to input your password. Just select your Google account when it appears, and you're good to go. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Acuity dashboard. This serves as your command center for everything related to managing your scheduling settings. Look for the More Options button under the scheduling page link. It's usually quite visible. Click on this button and then copy the link that appears. This link is the key to integrating Acuity scheduling with your Shopify store. Now go ahead and turn your attention over to Shopify. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin, navigate to the online store section from the sidebar menu. Look for themes and give that a click. Right at the top, you should see an option to customize your theme. Click on that too. We're going to add a new section now. Look for the button labeled Add Section and select it. For this demonstration, we'll choose Rich Text as our section type. It's crucial to give this section a name that's descriptive, like Book an Appointment or something similar. You can rename the section by simply clicking on it and typing the new name. Now, in the description area of this section, you might want to consider typing something like Click Here. Highlight this text and you'll see a small link icon appear. Click on it. You'll be prompted to paste the link you copied from Acuity scheduling. Make sure to check the Open this link in a new window option before clicking Insert. Moving on to another handy method, return to Acuity scheduling and find the Booking button feature. Click on Copy to get a snippet of HTML code. Return to Shopify and backtrack to the theme customization area. In the area where you previously created a section for Click Here, remove that text link now. You're going to insert something even better. Back to the customization settings, click on Add Section once again, and this time choose Custom Liquid. Paste the HTML code you copied from Acuity here. Once inserted, you'll notice a Schedule Appointment button appear on your Shopify store's page. Just like that, you've successfully integrated Acuity scheduling with your Shopify store, providing a seamless booking experience for your customers. By following these simple steps, you've enhanced the functionality of your store, making scheduling an effortless task for both you and your clients. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.